like Punting Samson. How do you manage to hit the ball and have the power to?
He's our expert, and I think he'll be more suitable to answer the question.
Yaman, you're spot on. I'm going to have a dig at the question.
So what exercises can I do to also become fit like them?
How important are running
What drills should fast bowlers practice?
Questions will be flying thick and fast, and I have to answer it in Fitness Masterclass with Chinmoy. Yaman, coming to your point, the hand-eye coordination, that's the job of the coach, not my forte. My forte is how to develop lower extremity and the core strength. You can see Hardik Pandya, Maxwell, Chris Gayle, they wallop the ball into the stand because they have got enormous core strength.
Coach, what is core strength?
Perfect. Core strength is there are deeper muscles, right? The central part of the body. A lot of muscles are involved. So when these muscles are strong, along with the lower extremity, it enables you to hit the ball big, hard, high and handsome.
So could you show us some core-specific exercises?
Yes, of course. So you can see this is a medicine ball, right? It's 4 kgs in weight. So you're my assist.
Yeah.
You know assist, the catches.
Yeah.
So you see, so I just start. One, on third I'm going to throw you. So 1, 2 and throw. Okay. 1, 2 and throw.
Wait, isn't this A.V. de Villiers? He hits like this, right? Isn't this reverse sweep?
Arey, this lady knows a lot. You're watching IPL.
I'm hosting it.
Okay, that's the reason why she's keeping an eye. Reverse sweep, can you believe it? Okay.
So what are the benefits of this specific exercise?
Yaman, the benefit first is, you can see, can you give me the ball, mate? So once you do this, you can see this is leg strength, split squat jump. That develops the explosive power, something you need to tonk the ball. And once you are rotating, it has got this core coming into play. Now the thing is 1, 2, 10 each side.
Okay.
Then you rest for 2 minutes and you do cool 4 sets. Clear, mate?
Yes, sir.
Coach,
Yes.
I like Hardik Pandya. Like, he's lean, yet strong, and his physique is very nice.
But what about KL Rahul? Very smart, strong, as you are saying, also powerful.
He's an eligible bachelor.
KL Rahul, you're talking about.
So guys like Maxwell, Pollard, all these guys are all about muscles, sir. So
Right.
how are the exercises, the core-related exercises helpful for all those players?
Yaman, you're quite right. It's not the muscles actually, you can see, because had it been muscles, all muscles, then Hardik shot would not have cleared the ground, right? Devdutt Pallikal, you can see, lean. So the essence is core strength. So coming to that point, our next exercise is also focusing on how to generate power from the core. So let's go for it. So Yaman, you see this is called split stance. Now boom, boom and up. Get down, boom, boom and up. Okay, now I just tweak it. It's a variant. Kneel down. This is called tall kneeling. Over it. These are called slams. SLAM. Okay, keep going, mate.
So why this kneeling lunge position?
Yaman, this has got relevance or more close to the game. You can see we sweep the ball, we play the slog sweep. So this is more close to a position you bat.
Okay.
So that's point 1.
So what are the benefits of this exercise?
The benefits when you are having this, all the sides, I mean the core muscles comes into play. The core muscles at the sides, they are into it, so you strengthen it. Now the rule is you one, so total is 20 taken together. Then you can rest for about 1 minute and you do 4 sets for both the exercises.
Yaman, can you hit like a Pant?
Well, of course I can if I practice these exercises.
Bang on, Yaman. If you keep practicing it, these specific core exercises, then once you hit it, it goes soaring into the stands. keep following us. We'll be bringing you more such riveting episodes. So keep following
cricketworld.com
cricketworld.com
and subscribe.
and subscribe.